Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font of your display on Mac operating system. So just click on the apply icon, very easy, and click on system setting. On the left side we have different options, so scroll down and here we have display. So here you have different options. This is the default one. If you want to change it, you should just click on this one or this one or this one, and down here you can change the brightness, very easy. And then yeah, that's how you can change the setting of your display on Mac operating system. So if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. See you in the next video.